Hello, students. Good day and nights. And today we have sessions for our this lesson, national movements in India. As you know that we have finished this chapter by reading in a live lecture as well as in a video lecture. So it's some questions and answer are pending to go. So we will go for a question and answer. Here we can see our self-study question answer. So let's start our exercise. So first questions, here we can see answer the following questions point wise. You have to mention some points in respect to your and in context to your questions, because when you mention some point in your answer, then your answer will look like very interesting for your teacher or your also for your reader, and it will also help you to increase your marks. So let's start our chapter. So question number first, answer the following questions point wise. Point wise, okay. So 1.1, discuss the nature and effects of boycott agitation and national movements. So here you have to mention some nature and effects of your boycott agitations as well as national movement. As you all know that boycott agitation and national movements for we can see Swadeshi movement and boycott movement were taking place altogether with the Bang Bhang movement in Bengal. So we will start like this. The boycott agitation and national movements were taking place in India after 1905 to 1947, because it has a long period in this movement. So now we will see that boycott movement was what is it was what was it, and what were its effects, and what was its nature. So first of all, we can see boycott movement or agitation was such agitation in which many leaders encouraged Indians, or you can say public Indian public, to not to use foreign made goods products, and they encouraged Swadeshi education. We have to leave English school and English medium school. You have to adopt Swadeshi or Indian made schools, and they encouraged Hindi language to use in replacement of the English language, as well as they also made many programs like boycotting of the foreign made clothes, the prohibition of liquor or alcohol, and they also left their government jobs, titles, high courts, etc. So in this movement, we can see a brief knowledge about boycotting all the things which were made of foreign articles. So, and they also suggested and encouraged to use national or nation-made things product in respect to boycotting foreign things. Okay, so we can say and we can write all these things. So now 1.2, growth and development of fierce revolutionary movements you have to discuss. So we can see fierce revolutionary activities were also taking in our India. Here we can see revolutionary activities and a movement in foreign countries also took place in India, like in England, Canada, America, Germany, France, Myanmar, Malaya, Singapore, Afghanistan, Russia, all other European nations were also affected by our national movements, and there were Shamji Krishna Verma, etc. These peoples like Maulana Bashir, Champak Raman, Pillai, Dr. Mathur Singh, Khuda Baksh were associated. All these were associated with these activity, and they encouraged many other countries, and they took help from foreign countries as well as to give impetus to give impetus to the revolutionary activities which were ongoing in India that time, or you can write contemporary revolutionary activities which were taking place in India. So let's go ahead. So you have to mention in 1.3 about programs and events and effects of non-cooperation movement. So as you know that non-cooperation meant we do not have to cooperate with the government. Okay, so in this movement Mahatma Gandhi or MK Gandhi suggested and encouraged not to cooperate with the government of British or England government, and by not taking part in a legislature, in a school, in English school, or in many other places of like public places like high court, government school. They have to leave government school, and they should always encourage national built school, and the charka, we can say Indian mat cloth, were also a suggestion thing for MK Gandhi. So these were the effect and programs. So in this program of movement, in the non-cooperation movement, we launched many programs like not using titles provided by England government, but not taking part in a school, high court, and also in and also we have to boycott foreign made clothes, and these were the programs. Okay, and events were also this like we have to prohibit untouchability and liquor. Okay, so this was non-cooperation movement. So now you have to write short notes on the questions too. So now here we can see 2.1 revolutionary movement in foreign countries. You have to write some notes like we have mentioned in this questions, as we have seen. So we have to give some examples in this questions. So now we go for second, Rowlatt Act. We have to write some notes on behalf of this questions. So Rowlatt Act, what was Rowlatt Act, and what happened in this act? So we can write there were no arrest, no advocates, or no prior appeal for any suspected member or person against any suspected things. He may be tried and sent to jail without any prior notice. So this act was also known as Black Act by Mahatma Gandhi. And question number 3, Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So we can see Jallianwala Bagh is situated in Amritsar. So we have to write in this answer that Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal were arrested in Amritsar, and for protest of their arrest, many people took part in a meeting in a Bagh. It was named Jallianwala Bagh, and then General Odedil Doyle reached there, and he commanded his army to fire on the people who were taking part in that meeting, and he did not stop his machine gun till the all people were killed so badly. This bad incident or unhuman massacre took place in Jallianwala Bagh. So we have to mention this. Now question number 4, Swarajya Party. Swarajya Party is a party which was emerging after non-cooperation movement withdrawal, and Mr. Chitranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru set up this party, and in 1922. Okay, we have to just write some brief notes on this. Okay, so now we have to answer also these following questions. Question number 3, 3.1, we can see who divided Bengal. So first of all, who? So it was Curzon, Lord Curzon. And when? On 16 October 1905. Why? For his better assistant, or we can write for sufficient or better administration's facility, he divided Bengal. But his hidden agenda was not that, but his hidden agenda was to divide and rule the policy to follow it, and he was not in favorable with the unity of Hindu and Muslim. So to break the unity of Hindu and Muslim, he divided Bengal in two parts: West Bengal and Eastern Bengal. So question number 3, explain the fierce revolutionary movement in Gujarat. In Gujarat, in context to Gujarat, we have to write some fierce revolutionary movement like Arvind Ghosh. We know that Arvind Ghosh took part in revolutionary activities or movement in Gujarat, and he was just in curtain, and his brother Barindranath Ghosh was in front line, and he like Arvind Ghosh wrote many books like Bhavani Mandir, etc. These books were very revolutionary contents, and he spreaded them and published many books as well as in Gujarat and so on. Question number 3, why did Gandhiji call a revolt act as a black law or black act? So we have seen in question number 1 that in question number 2 that the revolt act was also known as a black law or black act by MK Gandhi because of its provision. Okay, man, the problem is that its provision were bad and inhuman kind, so that's why Gandhiji called this act as a black act. So we have also discussed about its provision like there were no notice for a person who is arrested, and there is no trial for a suspected person. He or she can be sent to jail without prior notice. So it's inhuman activities and unhuman nature. Gandhiji called it as a black law. Why was non-cooperation movement suspended? So we can see a non-cooperation movement was suspended in 1922 because of a incident, namely we can say Chori Chora incident. Okay, question number 5. Why did the prestige of the Swarajya party decline? What were the causes of the downfall of Swarajya party? We have discussed it in our chapter. So the prestige was going decline because of its failureness. Like Swarajya party was emerging very fast, but after the death of Chitrendra Das Munshi in 1925 June, Swarajya party was going downfall. Okay, many members of this party or many candidates were taking parts in their newly formed parties, and some were supporting British government. So we have seen it is a burning problem. So it was breaking down and it is going down. Now so we have a question number 4 in which we have to give some MCQs based on our questions and based on our chapter. So first 4.1, the MCQ is that by what name is the day of partition of Bengal known as? We have seen that on 16 October 1905, Bengal was divided into two parts, and because of this partition, many people were celebrating it as Sok or Mourning Day. So we can see the first question is that National Mourning Day, Rashtriya Shok Divas. Question number 2, which reform Act gave Muslim communal electoral constituency? So we can see Minto was a father of Muslim community. So he, when we see Muslim communal election or communal award, then we should also mention his name, Minto. So Marle Minto were there. Question number 3, who prepared the stage of armed revolution in Gujarat for that first time? For first time, Arvinder Ghosh, and second time it was Barindranath Ghosh, his brother, and he spread it in many parts by publishing many various books. Question number 4, who hosted the Indian national flag in foreign land for the first time? So it was Madam Vikazi Kama, the lady who hosted our Indian national flag in foreign land for the first time. So, dear students, we have seen that all the questions as well as the chapter has been finished by this video, and we will see movements toward independence in our next video or live lecture. So now you have to write its question and answer on your paper or notebook, and you have to send to me by WhatsApp. So I will check, and I will also check your seriousness of who are some serious students, and how their interests are growing up in this field or in this subject. So let's study. Okay, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.